All right, y'all, about to take it on the ride now. It's about to be the first ride right here, man. Nice feeling day. About to take this thing out, see what she can do, y'all. Go ahead and put my helmet on right quick, though. Record a little bit. Oh yeah, I just put this phone mount up here today too, though, man. It's easy. I had one of these on my 600. It's pretty easy to put in one of them Ram stem mounts. Trying to race me. I knew he was gonna do it. He took off. Like just because it feels just like my 600 though, for real though, man. Just a little bit bigger though.
This beat, P-Town Productions, banger.
Money is my motive, I get it cause I'm chosen, and you ought to know by now. See if money was your motive, but throw it when you get it, seems like that's all you get for your money. Money is my motive, I get it cause I'm chosen, and you ought to know by now. See if money was your motive, but throw it when you get it, seems like that's all you get for your money.
I feel this so I rip it when I spit shit. Some say I'm nice, but I just tell them I'm gifted. Flow in my brain like the blood in my veins. I keep people's attention like the score of the game. Hey, some say I'm different, but I'm never gonna change. And yes, I am to greatness, what hurt is the pain. The same, new levels to reach, new goals to obtain. Hey, when I'm driving with my thoughts, I'm in all four of the lanes. And my lyrics is ether and my flow is propane. It's a tempted admittance cause I'm going insane. Open my mind like I open my wallet, cause each day that I live I make a mental deposit. Yeah, I'm religious, but please don't get me twisted. Have them put you down 6 by hitting one of them switches. Old schoolers call me Sid, cause they know that I'm vicious. I done seen more green than Granny cleaning her kitchen. Yeah.
Money is my motive, I get it cause I'm chosen, and you ought to know by now. See if money was your motive, but throw it when you get it, seems like that's all you get for your money. Money is my motive, I get it cause I'm chosen, and you ought to know by now. See if money was your motive, but throw it when you get it, seems like that's all you get for your money.
I said money is the motive, I'm tuned and I'm focused. It's cash in my vision, all I see is money ocean. I shirt the competition like the skin of a locust. Farewell to the haters, you first on my hit list. I mean wish list, maybe that gets list. I take your wifey then sell her back on Craigslist. I buy my books, yeah, you know I check my money list. Earn $1 million bucks, yeah, first on my bucket list. I get reckless, young and I'm restless. Money on my mind, and you know I'm gon' get this. Unfinished business, I'm gon' kill this. MC Hammer flow, can't touch this. I'm on that crazy shit, supernova blazing shit. I'm on that new jack, rockabye baby shit. CMB, my brothers keep a shit. P-Town level up, the next level shit.
Money is my motive, I get it cause I'm chosen, and you ought to know by now. See if money was your motive, but throw it when you get it, seems like that's all you get for your money. Money is my motive, I get it cause I'm chosen, and you ought to know by now. See if money was your motive, but throw it when you get it, seems like that's all you get for your money.
I'm trying to make my money, I'm trying to change things. These bitches think I'm lame, they want the finer things. He gotta have his bread, gotta give me head. Can't have no side hoes, cause they think they got it. He gotta, but I'm not on them games. Just keep it in a lane. She did that shit for fame, but what's that hoe's name? I'm out here working, she's out here twerking or tweaking. I'm fiending for the money.
Money is my motive, I get it cause I'm chosen, and you ought to know by now. See if money
got like $8 in that joint, though. I like that right there, man. Can't do no out here, man. I'm gonna take off right quick. Alright. Hold up.
Productions.
My swag, turn up, we bad, turn up, this jag, turn up, them stats, turn up, yo bitch, turn up, her friends, turn up, these ends, turn up, get in, turn up, my niggas, turn up, these figures, turn up, we here, turn up, go in, turn up, the club, turn up, this bug, turn up, what's up, turn up, we bug. Turn up. Let's cut to the chase. Slow my life down, pumping my brakes. Sticking to my work and I'm sticking like herb, but I'm sticking to the music like I'm stuck to tape. I was from a state where I come from a place where they throw a mask on and put a gun to your face, or a pump to your face, or a cut to your waist. Watch your back out here and keep your gun up in shape. Cause people always out here hating on the regular. Gotta watch your back, bros. What the hell I'm telling ya? Acting like heaven, I don't think you went through hell enough. I ain't scared of ya, but I'm one step ahead of ya. Boom, good loud, turn it up to the maximum. Can I get a good life? God, that's what I'm asking them. Put the Benjamins in my face and I'm smashing them, dragging in and laughing at them when I get to passing them. Now I'm back up on my right and shit. You know I gotta write the script. Don't bite your lip. I beat you up on some Pisces shit. I know I look good, but I won't wipe a bitch. Gotta get back on my flow. Getting the dough, doing shows on the road. 100% of you niggas really don't know.
Alright, y'all, I think my battery about to go dead, man. I'm trying to record at least as much as I can, though, till it go dead. But if it go dead, though, man, I'm gonna get up with y'all. I'm gonna finish the video. I thought I'd get back to the crib and charge it back up, though, if it go dead on me. So far, man, I ain't complaining though, man. It's a nice ride though, for real. This bike is living up to the dream though, man. To my dream anyway. I don't know about anybody else's. Had to test out a little swerve action, man. See what she do. Ooh, I didn't even see that one. I hope the camera still looks good, man, in a good position. Because I had to use a different setup, man. My setup that I had on my other helmet, you know, my other helmet got burnt up and everything. So I had to figure out a new setup for this helmet right here. Hopefully everything is looking good, you know what I mean? Now, don't get me wrong, it got the same pipe my bike had on it. It sounds a lot similar, but it's just deeper. Because you know, it's that 1000, man, it just got that deeper growl to it. I love that joint. Good God, in a second, get this thing ready to take off. I ain't gonna do it. I can't do it, y'all. Not my first ride. Not my first ride in this joint, but I'll be ready, like trying to get into it, see what she'll do. Trying to take it easy. Trying to anyway. I gotta stop switching gears like I'm riding in my 600, man. Cause every time I do that in this 1000, it's something be ready to pop up, pop straight up. Like, who you playing with? You know what time it is. Man, I I got to do it. I'm about to drop a gear right quick. I gotta do it. See what she'll do, man. Let me stop, boy. She hopped up to 80 quick. Like it won't nothing. Camera ended up dying on me. I'm on my phone right now though. But yeah, man, that was it right there. That was the first ride. Hey, she ready though. Everything I thought it was gonna be. Hey, stay tuned, man. Coming up sometime soon, gonna do a review of this thing, man. I might take a couple more rides on it. I'm gonna do my first review. Let me know what y'all think. Go home.